In a city riddled with crime, a phantom watches. They call him Ghostware. No one knows his true form. He exists only as a consciousness, capable of inhabiting any object he touches. I see you, lowlifes. Ghostware growled menacingly as it spoke through the streetlight. The streetlight speaks! Ghostware has entered it, the narrator exclaimed with excitement. One thug pulls a gun. Ghostware needs to act fast. He abandons the streetlight, leaping to a nearby bullet, with surprise in his voice. He can even become the projectile itself. What the? One of the thugs exclaimed, surprised. The thugs, now unarmed, flee in terror. But inhabiting the bullet drains Ghostware quickly. His weakness: the more complex the object, the faster he burns out. Ghostware is out there, protecting the city, one object at a time.